Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply create automatical discounts in your Shopify store. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Shopify and then just click discounts. When you're right here, you're going to select the discount codes and you want to create discount, and you're going to see right here automatic discount. Let's click on it. Now right here, you just want to write automatic discount title, summer 21. We can go with the percentage, fixed amount or by. We can go with the percentage, let's go 21%. And applies to entire order or specific collections or specific products. It's really up to you which one you choose. Now you're gonna see like the minimum purchase amount. Let's go like 50. And now you're gonna like activate dates here, start date. You can also like set the end date if you want to have it only for a month, for example. Now just click save. Discounts. We're gonna select here automatic discounts here. And now when I'm going to online store, what I recommend is customize your store. And have some kind of notifications here. So you're gonna see like the header. And just let's see, text, every order above 50 euro is 21% discount. And voila, here we got it. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Okay. Nice. So let's go back. Let's preview the store here. As you can see, we got the automatic discount here, summer 21, 12 euro down, because the product is above 50 euro. So this is how we do it. Thank you everybody. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.